can't find the grip to do the job.
Fastest lap in the race, that's the classification you're looking at the bottom of the screen. South Africa, our race leader with fastest lap. Great Britain, currently running third in position, has actually got the second fastest lap. And then France, third fastest lap, with Switzerland next up. Now, John Martin of Team Australia. Oh, contact USA France! And this is going to allow Australia to nip past, surely. Wait and see. Damage to the USA car. Damage, surely. And the smile on Alan Jones's face. Alan, what do you make of that one, mate? What do you think of that?
Well, unfortunate for the other two, great for us. He's doing a great job. He's staying on the island. He's driving nice and smooth. His lap times are very consistent. And we did a great pit stop. We started on the older of our wet tyres because we used them on Friday morning, and now we've gone to our newer wets and he's lapping quicker, so it's all looking pretty good for us at the moment.
Okay, well, we'll keep fingers crossed at the moment, as you say, and we'll take a look at a replay of this, John.
Yes, coming up into turn 6 and turn 7. Turn 6, two cars, I mean, there's a real lunge down the inside. I mean, there's no way that France could expect to have gotten away with that, not with the USA car. There you see the right rear of the USA car. The wishbone has been broken in that incident. France looks like they've got off with it pretty lightly. Here's the vision from on board of the France car. He thought he'd a shot, but in reality, he had more chance of being struck by lightning. And today, with the rain and the clouds around, he probably did in that incident.
Well, yeah, his car doesn't look too badly damaged. That was the reaction. Jonathan Cochet on the left there, who drove in the rookie session earlier on this weekend. Couldn't quite believe that either, but it means Australia now running 7th on the road. 7th place for John Martin.